Hi, I'm Paul with Anton Bauer, and we're here at Cine Gear Expo in Atlanta. And I want to talk to you about a new product we have called the Salt-E Dog. So the Salt-E Dog is meant to replace small jennies and putt-putts on production sets. It's a 9 kilowatt unit with a 6 kilowatt output, with the biggest advantage or difference being that it actually is a sodium nickel battery and contains no lithium, which means that there's zero chance of fire, zero chance of explosion, and has no shipping restrictions. Also, with the sodium nickel chemistry, it's got a lot longer of a lifespan, almost up to 3 times longer than a lithium-based battery. So with this battery, you can see here on the front that it'll actually show you all your telemetrics. So it'll tell you how much power you're pulling from it, how much runtime you have left in hours and minutes, and what percentage of runtime you have left. It'll also tell you with the ring around the outside how much power you're consuming from it. So as you get closer to the maximum, which is 6 kilowatts, it'll actually turn red and give you a warning so that you know when the battery's actually going to shut down on you. So when you're looking at it for runtime wise, you could actually run an M40, an area M40 light for up to an hour and a half off this battery. So for outputs, we have 4 standard Edison connectors. We have 4 28-volt DC and 4 48-volt DCs, as well as a 50-amp Bates connector. So people ask, why do you have DC connectors on it? Well, when you're running lights, such as an area sky panel, you can actually bypass the ballast and plug directly into the unit instead of having to use a ballast. So for input-wise, there's 4 different ways you can charge it. You can standard 15-amp Edison plug. You can use a TrueCon connector. You can use solar panels, or you can use an EV Type 2 charger. And no matter which inputs you use on it to charge, from 100% discharge to full, it's about a 10-hour charge time. But it will get to actually 80% in 6 hours. So if you wanted to flip it around again, you get 80% charge in 6 hours. One of the other key features of the unit is you can use it like a UPS up to 2,500 watts. So if you're only drawing 2,000 watts, you could have it plugged into your power source and running through. And if you lose power or end up plugging something else in that goes over 2,500 watts, the battery will kick in and you won't miss a beat. So what we also do here on the LCD here is we track telemetrics. So for companies who are looking for their carbon savings, you can actually plug in the dates that you use, a start date and an end date, and it'll give you all your telemetrics as to how long you used it for, at what power, and what your carbon savings were equivalent to. I think we're good.